Nation.
Ulit.
Sorry.
Ulit.
Coffee Nation.
Parang feeling mo kat damdamin ka para may tool.
I'm the owner of Snowriffic Tea Express by Coffee Nation, and I do mostly of the cooking and food preparation. Started before the pandemic actually, February 2020 siguro, kasi I've been a stay-at-home mom for almost 2 years before that. Before ako nag-stop ng work to take care of the kids, I used to work in corporate world. Nasanay ako na laging may ginagawa. So nung I decided to be a stay-at-home mom, medyo like, parang I need to do something while I'm home. So yun, tinignan ko kung ano yung magandang business. So sa food, nagkauso na yung mga coffee shop, milk tea shop. So yun, tumingin-tingin ako kung ano maganda, and then I come up with this online, yung Snowriffic Tea Express. It's a Taiwanese brand. So yun, before the pandemic, lumuwas kami ng Manila with my kids, my family, para tignan yung franchise. Pero may ano na kasi noon may COVID na. And then before mag-sign ng contract, parang ina-announce na that was March na kasi medyo nag-tour pa kami ng konti. Ina-announce na magla-lockdown sa Manila. magla-lockdown like in a few days from now, sabi. So, walang makakalabas ng Manila. It's a new, new situation where we are into. So, natakot kami na, balang hindi tayo makakalabas. So, yun, hindi natuloy. Agad-agad, umuwi kami ng Ilocos. So, nawala yung plano ng Snowriffic kasi pag uwi namin ng Ilocos, nag-lockdown na talaga yung Manila. Tapos, sa province naman, in-announce din na bawal nang lumabas. Bigla-bigla. It was March 16 yata. And then, biglang nag-stop na yung mga kids sa school. So, nawala na yung plano to put up the business kasi bawal na lumabas lahat. Wala na, natenga sa bahay na lang lahat. So, yun. Nawala yung plano and all. So, yun, na-stop yung plano ko na mag-put up ng cafe. As in, totally nawala na siya sa isip ko kasi I focus on the kids. Biglang, hindi na pwede silang pumasok sa school and mag-online class na. They are mga 3 kids yung mag-online class. So, I spent my whole time tutoring them the online class. So, wala na talaga yung Snowriffic sa isip ko noon. But then, something life-changing moment happened. Late last year, it was I could tell that it was a tragic happening in my life. Biglang nag-turn siya ng 360 degrees. Lahat ng mga plano ko nawala na. Nagtago ako from social media, from friends. Like, I spent almost 4 to 5 months na nakaano lang sa bahay, confined in the 4 corners of my home because of that thing that happened to my family. And then yung Snowriffic, bigla na lang pumasok sa isip ko when one time, one late lunch, hindi pa ako bumabangon and nag-iisip ako, what can I do? What should I do to get back up on my feet again? And then yung anak ko, inistorbo ako from my nap. Sabi, "Mommy, I want milk tea. Can we take out some? Can we call the delivery?" And then yun. Oh, yeah, I have the Snowriffic pala. Nakapagpirma na ako ng contract. Ang kulang na lang yung pag-put up ng business. Why not do it? Sabi ko. Coffee Nation, based sa pangalan ko at sa mga anak ko. I have 4 kids. Lahat sila may Shan. Yung eldest, it's Shania. The second is Shana. The third is Shanira. And then yung lalaki is Hans. Yung nabaliktad na Shan. And then, parang yung Coffee Nation. Yung ganun. Tapos lang na Nation. Based on my name na rin na Rayshan. Yun. Yan yung unang naisip ko when I started it. Ano kayang gagawin ko to make it unique? To make it stand out from all those coffee shops and milk tea shops out there. Kasi dito sa Ilocos, sa Laoag, ang dami-dami. Like, magkakatabi sila. So, ano kaya gagawin ko to make it different? So, yun, naisip ko to craft seasonal drinks and food, snacks. Like, nung summer pa naman nung mga May, yun. Sobrang mainit pa. May at June, yun. Hindi pa na umuulan ng mga June. Gumagawa ako ng mga boba pearl ice cream, parang mga ganun. Kung ano yung seasonal na kailangan ng tao. Yung mga menu ko, hindi siya fix. Pwede siyang i-twist. So, like, kung tag-ulan, dumating yung tag-ulan, I come up with this dumpling soup na pumatok sa mga tao. Yung mga tulad ng mga ganun. And then, here comes pandemic na talagang nag-surge yung case ng COVID natin. So, I come up with this detox drink. Tinatawag na mga lemon and orange mix using organic fruits. I brewed petal flowers. Ayun, pumatok din naman sa mga tao. So, yun. That's what make it unique. Mostly, siya, milk teas, coffee, snacks, and rice meals. We have all-day breakfast. We have soup, we have pasta, and mga combination of American meals and Pinoy meals. Yeah, may delivery kami, lalo nung pandemic, puro delivery. And we have various logistic partners din. Like Tok-Tok, Arkila, Ilocano Express, madami. Depende sa gusto ng customer na deliver niya, logistic partners. Yung signature drink namin kasi pandemic, talagang yung bestseller namin ngayon is yung detox drink. Kasi we use organic fruits na tapos siya talagang I personally do the brewing of yung mga petals and fruits na sa detox drink. Sa food naman madami. Because may mga yung pasta tapos iba-iba kasi depende sa mga customer yung mga estudyante sa burgers and nachos sila. Pero sa mga millennials yung mga pasta, soup, ganun. Pero sa drinks talaga is, yeah, this is a coffee shop and milk tea house. Pero siguro dahil nga sa pandemic, to boost the immune system, detox talaga yung bestseller ko ngayon.
So, welcome to our shop. This is Snowriffic Tea Laoag. Here we have our alfresco area. Can fit up to 4 to 5 people. This is where people stay in Aqua when they just have take-out orders and when they need fresh air. Ganun. And here, heading inside, this is our dining area. It can fit up to 10 to 12 people. The interior of this place po is, it was planned out by me and my mom, and no designer was involved. Maybe a few things were bought straight from Wilcon, but the rest, the other furniture, like the tables and chairs, were customized or commissioned. And here's our pastry shelf and our menu. The aura po, me and my mom searched on Pinterest on what we imagined it to look like. The inspiration was something cozy where students and even people can work while they eat or while they drink. And very cozy and very welcoming, very warm. And this is our centerpiece. We commissioned it ourselves. It has our name, Coffee Neshan. And this is where the magic happens. Our kitchen and our tea making area. This is our crew.
let's try some of our best sellers na foods and drinks. We have American meals as well as Pinoy meals. Ito yung bundle namin na Pika bundle for barkadas. This one comes with a 1 liter coolers, good for 3 to 4 persons at a very affordable price. 450 lang siya. Meron na siyang 4 na beef franks, jumbo beef franks, nachos, good for 2 to 3, and our famous buffalo wings. Yung wings namin, pwede siyang combination ng sweet, salty, or spicy. These are our best sellers in the house. This is our famous detox drink. It's a combination of orange and lemonade with butterfly pea. Ano siya, organic fruit lahat siya and no sugar. Ito yung mabili lalo na ngayon sa pandemic. Sa milk tea naman, ang bestseller is yung brown sugar white rabbit and winter melon RSC. Masarap mga pao. And this is my coolers. Ito usually yung it comes with our bundle. Our bundle usually comes with a variation of coolers na 1 liter. Automatic 1 liter na siya. And this is the blue lemonade. And we also have rice meals which are silog meals. We have 11 kind of rice meals. Pero ito yung mga bestseller namin, yung garlic tapa and tilapia fillet. It comes with an egg and sauce. Yung sauce din namin kakaiba siya. Gustong-gusto ng mga customers. Sa pastries naman, introducing our retro dessert, ang classic pudding with a twist. And yung donut natin, munchkins, ang tawag namin dito is milky munchkins. Meron siyang cheddar cheese and vanilla cream sa loob, sprinkled with creamer, dairy creamer. Sa pudding, dito na, sabi ko kasi with a twist kasi may variation siya. Caramel pudding, cheese pudding, and chocolate pudding. Yung pinaka gusto ng mga customers ay yung caramel pudding. And our famous Vietnamese coffee, you can have this either hot or cold. Pero mas advisable para sa akin, mas maganda pag mas masarap siya pag ice. We also serve pasta, and for now we have 2 kinds of pasta. Ito yung seafood alfredo, may scallops siya and shrimps, and the other one is cashew e pepe or commonly known as cheese and pepper. Ito yung bestseller namin, laging nauubos and laging hinahanap ng mga mahilig sa pasta. And this is affordable. Laging usually mga sinasabi nila, madaming servings, baka malugi ka. No, sakto lang yung serving niya. Actually, it's good for 2 persons siya, and it comes with a free drinks also. So, come try this, our bestseller seafood alfredo.
So we're here with Ma'am Shan, the owner of Snowriffic Coffee Neshan. Sino po tong kasama natin mo?
I'm with Sandy, Shania, my eldest. She helps me manage the cafe and she manages the online marketing also.
Okay. Marketing. 17 years old, marketing ka na? Wow. Kuling, day. So, eto guys, yung mga nasa harap natin ngayon is the best sellers na snacks ng Snowriffic Coffee Neshan. So, can you introduce, ma'am?
Ito yung famous chicken namin, buffalo wings. Ito yung mga bestseller flavors. Kami mismo yung nagre-prepare ng mga sauce niya, and I do the marinate myself. Secret marinate siya. Ito yung mga bestsellers, combination of sweet, spicy, and salty. The yellow one is the salty, which is salted egg. This is the Pinoy Jablo, yung talagang super spicy. And the bestseller teriyaki, favorite ng mga kids.
Sarap ng skin. Crispy. Super crispy. Natin sa loob. Ano pa yung minamarinate mo? I mean,
Secret
ang ano kasi, linamlam. Napakalinamlam yung sa loob niya. Tingnan niyo guys. Sa loob na nun. Sa loob na siya. Wait lang. Sarap, ang sarap. Approve na approve.
Ito din yung mga favorite ng kids. Lagi hinahanap waffle. Yung waffle, we have variations na maple syrup, honey, strawberry, chocolate. And you have the option to put ice cream in it or plain lang siya na syrup. So that's, nagmelt na siya. That's chocolate waffle with vanilla ice cream.
Chocolate waffle po ba yung pinaka-bestseller nyo?
Depende sa sa bumibili. Usually, gusto ng mga millennials ay yung mga maple at saka honey. Yung chocolate waffle talaga for kids. Yun yung laging hinahanap nila.
Okay, let's try yung ice cream.
Nagmelt na yung ice cream.
Sakto lang, para mix na
Oo, para mix na.
Para mix na yung ano. Kaya po ba gumagawa ng waffle from scratch po ba itong?
Yung yung waffle, oo. Pero yung syrup, ready, na siya.
Saktong-sakto sa tamis. And then, sarap ng ice cream. Ang sarap ng waffle, ang sarap ng syrup. So,
ice cream.
perfect combination sila.
Ito yung pambansang snack. Kasi burger talaga. Actually, muntik ko nang tinanggal sa menu yung yung burger and cheesy hotdog kasi hindi ako mahilig sa burger. And then, paano ako gagawa ng burger kung hindi ako fan ng burger? Sabi ko, yun, nagnood ng YouTube, nag-research kung paano yung trial and error kung paano gawin yung patty. So, medyo nape-perfect na din. And
Ikaw nagawa ng patty?
yung patty.
Ano kung nasa to? Nasa loob
Beef
niya?
siya. Pero
Saka
pa
natin
din,
sa loob.
pang siya, pang estudyante na burger, affordable lang siya. It's 45 pesos. So talagang yun yung laging nauubos na snack namin.
Itong bun po, ma'am. Ikaw po ba yung magawa?
Hindi, na-order na lang yung bun. Yung patty lang yung talagang kakamas.
Burger. Kain. Kain
Yes!
ulit.
Kami taga-ubos mamaya.
Tara. More patty.
More patty. Oo.
Medyo,
Manipis siya.
pero masarap siya, ma'am. Affordable budget.
It's 45 pesos with that size. Cheesy hotdog. Cheesy hotdog. Mga estudyante, yan yung laging hinahanap nila. Cheesy hotdog. Kasi, isang ganyan lang nakakabusog na. And that's 45 pesos also.
Pero ang laki, ang nakabot ng ano. Ang laki ng ano.
And I use tender juicy.
Parang hindi ko siya masusuko, guys.
Oh!
Ay, hirap ang laki. Siguro yung mga classmate mo nag-order na din sa'yo.
Usually, mga age bracket niya. Next to the chicken and buffalo wings na bestseller na snack is yung nachos ko. Yung nachos, multicolor siya. Pang sa mga bata. Parang tawag nun? Parang siyang pinais ang tawag nila. Kasi may green, basta multicolor, may green, may purple, may orange, yellow. Ayun. Ako din mismo gumagawa nung nung sauce. Madami ding trial and error pinagdaanan yan.
Parang may empanada, may nachos. Ang cute ng violet. Ayan guys, para makita nyo. Violet. Orange.
Empanada.
Empanada. And madami pa, actually. Wala po bang flavors yun? Or
wala.
chips.
Isang flavor lang yung chips niya.
Let's taste it.
Crispy pa ba?
Crispa. So, ang nandito is pipino,
Yeah,
ground
cucumber,
beef.
ground beef, onion, a bit of lettuce, and taco seasoning.
Let's try the sauce. Di ba ikaw po yung...
Yung sauce niya. Dati, at first, I used melted cheese. Pero, hassle. And gusto ko din, may signature taste, or ano siya.
Ano to pa? Cheese?
Hindi, it's a cheese na may mga halong-halo, may mga seasonings na. Hindi lang siya melted cheese.
Sarap.
Thank
Perfect
you.
siya dito. Kakaiba. Kasi yung iba kapag nachos na, iba yung simple na hindi lang cheese eh.
Oo, yung dippings niya is usually combination of mayo, ganun. Tapos mga cheese sauce.
Sarap ng dipping. Ito yung parang umiiba dito sa nachos niyo po.
Madami ding improvement ang pinagdaanan.
Okay.
Ito yung mga bestseller na fruit tea. It's passion fruit, grapes, and strawberry. Ito yung ino-order usually pag sa mga snacks meals.
Ito po
Siya
yung
yung
bestsellers na.
Na mga fruit teas.
Ano sa milk tea, ma'am?
Sa milk tea, usually pinipare nila sa mga pastries. Sa milk tea naman, mga cream cheese series, at yung kami lang yata yung may Black Dragon, yung may activated charcoal. It's a detoxifying drink.
Yung milkshake. Di ba may milkshake pa po?
Oo, yung milkshake. We have maraming variations. Milkshake, frap, coffee din, milk tea, brulee. Maraming pagpipilian. And the detox drink na bestseller. And Sandy, anything you want to add?
Since it's time of the pandemic po, there's a lot of people ordering online through our Facebook page. So they can order all of these online and they can enjoy them from the comfort of their own homes.
Ano po yung Facebook page natin? Para alam ng mga natin.
Snowriffic Tea Laoag po, Facebook page name.
This personal thing that happened to me and my family, I need something to distract me. I need to do something para makapag-start uli. And I need this to help me get back on my feet. So yun, kinausap ko yung 17-year-old daughter ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, since hindi pa naman kayo pumapasok sa school, can you help me in putting up this business? Because I have no one to turn to, ikaw lang. So yun, she said, yeah, it's just you and me and my... Yes, Mami, sabi niya, I will help you. We can do this, Mami, sabi niya. With you and me together, we can do this. Just, let's focus on this. I will help you. So, ayun nga. Siya yung sandalan ko. When we started the Snowriffic, nag-start na naman kami. Went to Manila. Like, February yata nun. Or, like, same dates ng pagpunta ko last year. Hindi pa ako totally focused noon. Gulong-gulo yung isip ko. How can I start a business na ganito, gulong-gulo yung isip ko. I have no strength to start it. Parang hindi ko kaya. But then I just go with the flow. Kasi a friend once said to me, nakayanan mong i-overcome that period time of your life. So, kakayanin mo na lahat. I think everything that follows na is easier than what happened. So, ayun, sige. I'll just go with the flow. Yun. inassist ako. And then, when they started the renovation of the shop, yung anak ko, yung dalawang anak ko, yung 17 years old and 8 years old, sila yung parang excited. Yung excitement nila na yung 8 years old, sabi niya, ako mag-waitress. Sabi din ng isa, akong magbabartender. So, yung excitement nila, it rub off on me. Excite na rin ako. Every morning, I have something to look forward na. Excited na ako every day, hindi gaya nun. Parang lifeless. So, every morning, may bago kaming project. Gawin natin to, let's do this chair. Customize lahat yung mga nandun sa shop. From the sofa, from the pastry shelves, sa painting sa wall, lahat. It was all our personal touch lahat. Ayun, that's how it started. The Snowriffic Tea Cafe started all because I need something to distract me. I need something to find myself again. And I needed something also to survive. Survive in the sense na survive emotionally. Financially, of course. Kasi I have no one to turn to na. Ako lang. Sarili ko lang sarili ko na lang. Support my kids. Support my family. So yes. That's why I'm so passionate about this cafe. It is very special to me.
Hello, my name is Ria. I'm from Laoag. We love it here at Snowriffic Tea. Not only because the owner is a good friend of mine, but the overall ambience is warm, it's light, the staff is very friendly, and the food is great.
Hello mga ka-Snow! Thank you so much sa mga regulars natin. GCQ na po tayo, so pwede na pong mag-dine-in at 30% capacity sa loob, and then sa alfresco area, open na din siya for dine-in. Come and visit kasi we have new menus and may mga promos din kami. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito, come try and experience Snowriffic Tea Cafe. Yung sinasabi nila na every time you're here is parang good vibes, because kahit maliit lang siya, this mini cafe evokes positivity. I-try nyo yung mga products namin, because we try to craft seasonal drinks, depende sa gusto nyo, depende whatever season we find ourselves into we craft drinks, depends on your taste. So, come and visit us. For online deliveries, you can call and text 0956-390-2885, or you can directly message us at our FB page, Snowriffic Tea Laoag, for faster transactions. You can contact also your yung mga logistic partners na gusto nyo, and kasi connected naman kami lahat sa kanila. And sa mga loyal customers natin na ka-Snow, thank you so much. Because of you, nagsusurvive si Snowriffic Tea Cafe. And na-inspire kami kahit ganito yung panahon, na-inspire kami to come up with new products and new promos at ini-improve yung mga services, yung mga foods. Salamat sa lahat at nandyan kayo no matter what the season and no matter what pandemic we are into.